my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be unboxing a very special birthday gift that I received from Daniel Wellington. Now if you guys know, I love Daniel Wellington's classic timepieces. They are absolutely beautiful and timeless, and I also love their bracelet. If you missed my previous video, I'm going to link it right above here. They very recently launched their jewelry collection, and they sent me 2 exquisite pieces from their collection. They very rightly know my choice. I like something which is classy and also very minimalistic. I haven't worn these pieces, but I definitely did do a little bit of a sneak peek. Now this video is in partnership with Daniel Wellington. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into this video. The first piece of jewelry that I received from Daniel Wellington is this absolutely stunning neck piece, and I think the brand knows me so very well. This is so me, guys. It's super elegant, classy, it's minimalistic. I love the white and gold detail going in here on the pendant and the very beautiful thin chain right here. I can see myself wearing this with so many different outfits, with this very frilly sort of a casual top, with a business suit, and even with an evening dress. The second piece of jewelry from Daniel Wellington, which is a superb match of course with the neck piece, are these absolutely stunning earrings. Like I said, super minimalistic jewelry, very classy. I can see myself pairing these on their own also with so many of my outfits. Now this is something that I can wear with an evening dress. I can wear it to office, for my Zoom calls. This is the kind of thing that I personally really love wearing, and I'm going to treasure this for the longest time. And this is the kind of jewelry, guys, that I feel that anyone at any age can carry. I love the detailing, especially Daniel Wellington going through across on the golden bit. The engraving is something that I personally, the small details, really appreciate. And I think the brand really knows my choice very well, because these are the kind of pieces that are timeless, and this is the kind of jewelry that I personally absolutely adore. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.